Hello friends, you are welcome in our video. We know that you like our videos very much. For this, we have now added the caption for this video in more than 36 different languages for you people. That too now, select your favorite language with title and input. Enjoy the video and subscribe the channel.
This is the Blue Nectar Kumkumadi Radiance Glow Night Serum to fight signs of aging. The Blue Nectar Kumkumadi Night Serum helps you fight the signs of aging and improve the appearance of acne, scars, pimples, and skin pigmentation. This natural face oil also helps to supplement skin's natural ability to fight under-eye dark circles and puffiness, while improving your skin complexion and radiance. It contains ingredients like saffron, sandalwood and 26 other herbs. It is suitable for acne-prone skin types. The night serum comes in a 10 ml bottle. To use, take 2 to 3 drops of the oil and massage it upwards in circular motion on face and neck. When using as a face serum for oily skin, leave for 60 minutes and wash off with fresh or lukewarm water. When using as a face serum for acne-prone skin, wash with mild face wash before applying the face oil. Use 1 to 2 drops for first 2 days. Slowly increase to 2 to 3 drops for acne-prone skin. Use the Blue Nectar Kumkumadi Radiance Glow Night Serum to fight signs of aging. For further information, visit the product detail page.